Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be playing and teaching you the B flat scale. Now before we get started, I just want to say, if this video teaches you anything, or you just like my content, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now, let's get right into it. Okay, so first I will be playing the scale for you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you what the notes are and how to play them. Okay, so this is what the B flat major scale sounds like. So that is what it sounds like, and now for the tutorial. Okay, so this scale begins with the note B flat, which is played 1. The next note is C, which is played open. The next note is D, and for the D, you want to get this third valve tuning slide out just about halfway, so like right about there, and you want to leave that out for the D, and it's played 1 and 3. The next note is E flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is F, which is played 1. The next note is G, which is played open. The next note is A, which is played 1 and 2. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is a B flat, which is again played 1. So those are the notes of the scale, and for the second octave, everything is the same except for 2 notes. Those 2 notes are D and E flat, and so in the second octave you want to play D with 1, and you want to play E flat as 2. So that is the only difference, and one more time, this is how the entire scale sounds like. So hope you guys liked it, and until next time, Trumpet Beast signing off.